Number 6, it says, the graph of y equal ka to the x passes through the point this and the point this. يعني it's a good idea to just plot the points كده roughly, just roughly. 1 and 6, if this is 1, imagine this is 1, okay, and this is 6, just roughly like this. 1 and 6, let's say it's here. 6 and 48, that's far up. So this is a growth or a decay if you have a curve that looks like this.
Growth.
It's a growth. بالظبط. Yeah, this is the reason why you should plot it roughly. The question didn't say sketch, but knowing the type of curve would be very useful. طبعا this one we expect it to look like this. It's a growth. جميل. We have 2 points on the graph, 1, 6, and we have the other point, which is 4, 48. Again, you don't need to sketch. I'm just saying this is a visual illustration to help you out solving this question. So they say y equal ka to the x passes through these points. Find the values of k and a. So we have y, a to the x. Okay, we want k and we want x. So what to do? Use the points. Use the points. طبعا the y-intercept هنا will be what يا آدم? It will be k. How do I know? If you put x equals 0, you substitute x equals 0, you will see that y will equal k. لأن 0 يعني a power 0 is 1. a power 0 is 1. So y will be k. Type. This is the y-intercept. But still we didn't get the value. We want the value k and we want the value a. What to do? Use the points. So using 1 and 6, you get 6 equal k into a power 1. You see this? You see, this is x and y. I'm substituting. Again, use the other point, using 4 and 48. You get 48 equal k into a power 4. Power 4. Type. We have two equations now. How can you solve the equations? This is the smart thing about how to solve the two equations here. Number 1 and number 2, to get a and to get k. Listen, yeah, when the two variables are multiplied, يعني k times a, here it's k times a, and here k times a power 4, they are multiplied. K and a are multiplied. When the two variables are multiplied, always think of division. Always think of division. So it's a good idea to dividing 2 by 1. How? You do 48, that's 2. Divide 6, this is from 1. Equal 2, that's k a4, divide k a1. What will happen here is that one of the variables will cancel out. Yes, k will cancel out. This is the nice thing about division. You will cancel k out. And 48 divide 6 is 8. And here you have a4 divide a1. What's the answer for a4 divide a1? How to simplify this?
So it will be a3.
Very good, tamam. So if a3 equals 8, a will equal what?
If a3 equal 8,
yes,
we do cube root of 8.
Do cube root of 8. Yalla, do it. It will be what?
1 second. 2.
Very good. So we have the first value, 2. Now go back and substitute in either one. And we can substitute in equation 1. It's the easier one. Substituting in 1, we have k. I'm going to write it properly, but it should be ka equals 6. We already have a2, so k times 2 is 6. So from this, you can say k is what, ya Adam? 3.
3.
Easy?
Mm.
Right. Now we move to the second point, which is logarithms. But there is something called log. Log. Log stands for logarithm. It is a function. It's called log. First thing we have to learn is how to change it from the log form to the index form or exponential form. Now, what is the log form? Log form is when you have log n base a. So this number down is called base. So log n base a equals some value, x. This is called logarithmic form. This is logarithmic form. Exponential form is when you have something with power, exponent, exponential form or index form. So this is log form, and this is index. We say index or exponential. It's the same thing. Index form. And we have to learn how to change between these two forms. You need to learn how to change from this one to the other one, and how to change the other one to the log one. You understand, Adam?
Mm.
Type. Let me explain how to do this. It's very simple. Now, first, I'm going to explain. If you have, for example, if you have, let's say 2 power 3 equals 8. This is which form?
Cube.
Yeah, which form? Index form or logarithmic form?
Log index.
Index form. How to change it to logarithmic form? How to do it log?
We do log. We do log. Log 2. Or no, I don't know, sir. Can you show me?
You take the number here, and you do log 8 base 2. This is the base. Now, when we say 2 power 3, 2 here is what? Base.
Mm.
And here down, it's also base. So we say log 8 base 2 equal the power. What's the power?
3.
Okay. This is how you change from exponential or index to logarithmic. Are you following?
Yes, sir, how do I put this on the calculator?
Now you don't do anything on the calculator. Now focus on what we are doing. Forget about the calculator.
Mm.
Here, the example here, it says write each statement as a logarithm. Huh? 3 power 2 equal 9. We do what here, Adam? We log 9. Take the number here, the one number that. Log 9 base what? What's the base here in this problem here?
2.
Huh?
2.
لا يا بابا. This is 3. 2 is
لا انت
power.
بتتكلم على اول واحد.
Base
Yeah,
هنا.
3.
Talk about this one. Base 3 equal the exponent, equal power 2. So this is how we do it. Type next one. يلا tell me. Do what? Log what? Log the number here.
Log 128
Base
2
equal 7. Equal the
7.
power, equal the exponent. Type. Last one, huh? Tell me, huh? What's the last one? Log.
Log 8
Yes.
base 64
Equal
half.
Very good. So this is how you change from index to logarithm. Now the opposite. What if you have log? Okay. Now let's say you have log, and you want to change it to index form. How to change it to index form? This is even easier. Yeah. How easier? You say n, this value equal. Take the base and raise it to the power of this. So it's a power x. Again, if I have log n base a equal x, to change the logarithmic form to index form, n equal, you say n equal, take the base and raise it to this. So it's a to the x. Okay. Are you following?
Mm.
Now let's apply this to the examples here. For this one, to change it, you say 81 equal, the number here, the value here, equal. Take the base and raise it to this. So 3 power 4. And yes, 81 is 3 power 4. This is correct. 3 power 4 is 81. So basically it's correct. Type, how about B? Tell me B. How to change it to index form or power? You see, they say rewrite each statement using a power. يعني index form. By this,
Okay.
it mean index form.
Log 1 over, sorry, 1 over 8 is
What?
equal to
What?
minus,
Take the base and raise it to this.
okay,
2.
so minus 3 power 2.
لا يا بابا. 2 power minus 3. 2 power
ازاي؟
minus. Take the base and raise it to this. Raise it يعني.
Okay, so equals 2 power 1 minus 3, which is basically 1 over 8.
خلاص. Keep it this way. تمام. طيب. Now to the calculator. You were asking about the calculator. Can you check your calculator where the log is?
Yes, sir, I found it.
Type. Put on the calculator log A 81 base 3. What's the answer?
Log what?
I wrote it here. Log 81 base 3 on the calculator. What's the answer?
1 sec. 4.
4. It's easy to do it with calculator, right?
Yeah.
Now, how would you do this without calculator? See the question here? Question, example 5, question A. How would you do this? This is, you did it now on the calculator. It was 4. How we do it without calculator?
How?
You can't do it when it's log form. When it is in log form, you cannot do it yet. You have to change it to the index form. Now, how would you change this to the index form? Very simple. Just put it equal to x. This is what we want. We want the value of x, which is 4. Now, we know from the calculator it's 4. But we have to do it with calculations. Without, you see here, they say without using calculator. So how to do it? Change it to exponential form. How to change this to exponential form? Tell me. To index form يعني. How to change it?
How?
Yeah, Adam, we just did examples like this one in the previous example.
Oh, yeah. It will be
81.
81 equal x power 3.
The base, this is the base, 3. 3,
Oh, yeah,
3 is the
3 power
base.
x.
Type 81 equal 3 power x. Ask yourself, 81 is 3 power what?
3 power 3. No, sorry.
3 power 4. Try it on
Yeah,
the
3
calculator.
power 4.
3
3
power
power
4.
4.
This means x is what?
4.
4. Because 3 power 4 equal 3 power x. يبقى x equal. Get this? Type. Let's do the next one. Again, without using calculator, find this. Put it equal to
Give me
x.
1 second here. Let me write the first example and I'll.
You need to make this 1 over 4. You need to make it 4 because on the right side you already have 4. This here, 4.
So you multiply by 4.
لا 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 لا. 1 over 4 يا Adam is 4 power minus 1. Bring it up
So,
and you change the sign. So it's 4 minus 1. So x will be what here?
minus 1.
Yes. Now can you do C and D? يلا. Do it on your own and send the answers. يلا quickly. So 4 is 0.5 power x. وبعدين 0.5 is like half x here. Half x. Half 4 power x. طيب half could be written 2 power minus 1 صح؟ مش half.
صح.
2 power minus 1 يبقى احنا we can write this 2 power minus x. And 4 we can write it 2 power 2. So x will be what?
2.
لا.
minus 2.
Yes. لأن minus x equal 2 معناها x equal minus 2. طب for this one label it x. بعدين you say a power 5 equal a power x. A power 5 equal a power x. So x is what here, Adam? 5.
5. Oh yeah, exactly. Why did I do that?
تمام طيب يلا do this بقى على الكالكليتر. Use your calculator to find the following logarithms,
Okay.
3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. يلا do it. يلا.
Okay. I find these on my calculator.
Yes, yes. Let's do the laws of logarithms. Now we
Okay.
have rule 2, 3. Let's explain the rules. First rule, number 1, is called the multiplication law. What is this? It says, if you have log, pay attention here. If you have log x times y, so that's log a product, multiplication. You have the right to change it to sum, to addition. Yeah. Make it log x plus log y.
Oh boy.
So if you have log x times y, it's log x plus log y. That's rule number 1. If you have a division, log x divide y, this way, you change it to subtraction. So division, you change it to log x minus log y. And طبعا, you have the same base for all of them. Yani if the first one is a, the base, also the other side will have the same base, a and a. Okay, so rule number 1, rule number 2. The one after that, it's when you have x power k here, yani with any power here. You have the right to bring the power down before the log. So you say it's k times log x base a. So this is rule 1, 2, rule 3. Are you following? We call them multiplication law, division law, and power law. Power law when you have power, you have it, exponent here. After this, you have log a base a. When you have here and the base are the same value, this value a is the same one as this one, the answer is 1. It's like when you have log 5 base 5. The answer is 1. So rule 4. Rule 5, you have log 1. Log 1 is always 0 for any value of base, for any base. But the base is always positive. You cannot put a, and you can't say log minus 2, base minus 2. You can't. The base is always positive. So you can put it 1, you can put it 2, you can put it 10, anything. Actually, 1 doesn't work. You can put it 2, 3, 4, any value. The answer is always 0. So remember, log 1 is always 0. خلاص? I want you to write the rules down. Okay, I skipped number 4 because it's understood. You have 1 over x, you can make it x to the power minus 1, and you take minus 1 before the log. So basically, it's not a new rule yet. Okay, so these are the 5 rules. Can you write them down?
Wrote them
Or
also.
let's say 6 rules. Huh? Did you write them?
Yeah.
All of them?
Yes, I was writing while you were talking.
طب يا Adam, let's do this. The first one, it says write as a single logarithm. يعني ايه? This is log plus log. احنا we want it as one log. How to do it? Use the first rule. The first rule says multiplication could be changed to addition, or addition could be changed to multiplication. Here you have addition plus log 6 plus log 7. So what to do? Combine them into one log and multiply 6 and 7. So it would be log 42 is 3. Type. For the second one, yeah, Adam, how to do the second one? This is
Wait,
subtraction. So what to do?
Sir,
Divide.
when you do it in the calculator, does it never gives it to you in log form or what?
No, the calculator doesn't give log 4.
Okay.
So second one, because it's subtraction, you do what, yeah, Adam? You divide 15 by 3. That's 5.
5.
Okay, and you leave it like this. Don't put it in the calculator. The calculator will give you some decimal value, some answer. Don't. They say write as a single log. They want the answer in terms of log. Now be careful number C here. How would you suggest we do C?
Sir, we add the 2 and the 3. The first 2 and the 3.
No,
No?
no. When you have a number multiplied by log, you take it back as a power. يعني you write it this way. Log 3 power 2 is 5. Same here. Take 3 as a power. So it will be log 2 power 3 base 5. Then simplify just a little bit. 3 power 2 is 9. 2 power 2 is 8. 2 power 3, I mean, is 8. You have base 5 and base 5. So what to do here in this case? Which rule? Which law? You have addition, yeah, Adam. Log 9 plus log 8. What to do?
First one.
Which is what?
Log x plus log y.
Yeah, we have x and y. And we do what with it? How would we combine them into one log?
So it will be log 5 and then 9 plus 8, which is 17.
يا ابني يا Adam. It's like this one, يا ابني. Like A. What did I do in A? When you have addition, you do
So
what,
you
يا Adam?
multiply.
If I have log x plus log y, you combine them into one log and you multiply.
Okay, so we combine them into one log and then we do 9 by 8, which is 72.
Type last one. Last one, you have log 10, log 3 base 10 minus 4, log half. You see, cannot do anything when you have a number here. So you bring it back as a power. Take it back as a power. Okay, so that's minus log half power what? Power 4. And this is 10. Careful here, huh? So this is log 3 base 10 minus log, this is 1 over 16, 1 over 16 base 10. So what do in this case, Adam? You have minus, what to do? How would you combine them?
Log y minus log x minus log y.
لا لا.
So
لا,
we
لا.
divide.
We divide, yes. So we divide what by what? 3.
We divide 3 by 4.
فين
By
4 دي؟
minus 4.
فين minus 4 دي? You divide this. You divide this by this.
Yeah, sorry. So 3 by 1 over 16.
طيب do it على calculator. What's 3 over 1 over 16? What's the value of this bracket?
It's 3 divide 1 over 16.
Let's continue. Example 8. It says write in terms of log. بعدين بقى. Yeah, so we do log, and they say write in terms of log x, log y, and log z. So you have to do what? You use the multiplication law, but you change it to addition. يعني log, when you have x times y times z, you do log the first, اللي هي x, plus log the second, اللي هي y, plus log the third, اللي هي z. You get this? You put same base, don't forget the base. A. This is question A. Question B, because it's division, you do log x minus log y3. This is A and A. طبعا هنا you can continue if you wish. You can bring the power down. يعني you make it 2 log, for this one, 2 log x base a plus log y base a plus 3 log z base a. here نفس الحكاية. it will be log x minus كام يا آدم؟ bring the power down. 3 log y base a. تمام؟ how about c? are you following يا آدم؟
Yes, sir.
طيب. you see when you do it this way دي معناها إن هي log x plus log root y plus لأنهم multiplied x and root y minus log z لأن الزي بالdivision. z is divided so it's a division. So this is a and احنا we want it in terms of log y مش عايزين root y. So what to do? change the root to power half. يعني make it this way y power half radical. make no radical y is y half, y to the half to the base a equal log sorry هنا minus log z base a part. بعدين bring down الايه bring down the half. so this will be log x a plus half log y base a minus log z base a. Did you get this, Adam? In this example, they say solve the equation. This is equation. Log 4 base 10 plus log x plus 2 log x base 10 equal 2. So how to do this one? You need to combine the logs. You cannot solve the equation of log here, Adam. You need to combine the logs, change it to index form, and then solve. احنا we do what? The steps. Combine logs into one log. Step 1. Step 2, change to index form. Step 3, solve. Combine. Before you combine, make sure you bring back the power. You take 2 here, back. This way, it will be log x power 2 base 10 equal to. بعدين step 1 combine. Let's combine. So log 10 4x squared equal to. Step 2 change to index form. So 4x squared equal, take the base, raise it to this power. So 10 power 2 يعني 100. So 4x squared equal 100. So x squared equals 25, which means x will equal plus minus 5. ليه plus minus 5? لأن you should take the square root, and when you take a square root you consider both answers اللي هو plus and minus. So you have x equal 5 or x equal minus 5. Now هنا be careful بقى. في log equations you have to check. يعني ايه check؟ يعني the answer you get you have to check is it correct ولا لأ. Where to check? where? Check in the problem. Okay, so at x equal 5, check in the problem, substitute. You get log 4 base 10 plus 2 log, I'm checking in the problem, you see, in the problem نفسها, question نفسه. Log 5, check, is it 2 ولا لأ? Can you put this on the calculator? Put this on the calculator and tell me, is it 2? Yeah, can you do it?